Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to everybody out there. This is Nagendra here. In today's video, I'm going to show you Marquee tags attributes. Let's start. Let's begin with h1 tag. Marquee tags. First of all, save your file. I'm going to save in this Marquee folder. I'm going to save it as marquee.html. See guys, I'm using inline style here. Let's start with Marquee tag. Behavior equals to alternate. First of all, save your file. Control S, save your file. I'm going to run in Chrome browser. Okay guys, one done. Come back to HTML. See guys, this is Marquee tags first attribute, behavior. In this we have three values: alternate, scroll and slide. Now let's move with slide now. Slide. Control S, save your file. Let's check now. Okay guys, two done. Come back to HTML again. And guys, the difference between alternate and slide values: alternate keeps on moving from left to right and from right to left, but slide, once it reaches the end of the screen, it stops there only. Okay, let's move with scroll. Its width is going to be 50%. Good morning. Control S, save your file. Okay guys, let's check now. Okay, we got it. Now come back to HTML. Now let's move with Marquee tags. Another attribute, that is direction. In that we have four values: left, right, up and down. Direction is going to be down. Its width is 100%. BG color is going to be red. Yes. Welcome. Control S, save your file. Let's check now. You guys come back to HTML. Marquee direction is going to be up. Width is going to be 100%. PG color is blue. Value is the Lion Club. Control S, save your file. Let's check. See you guys. Okay, come back to HTML again. Marquee direction is left. Width is going to be Control S, save a file. Let's check now. Yes. Okay. Come back to HTML again. Let's see with the last value of direction attribute. Marquee direction is right with this. Which color is pink? Control S, save a file. Let's check now. Okay, guys. Come back to HTML. And guys, you can also scroll or move images vertically or horizontally. I will show you. Directions. Image source. I'm going to copy this image path. Control C, copy. Control V, paste. And the picture name is 2.jpg. Control S, save a file. Let's check now. Yes, guys. Okay guys, if you find this video helpful, please hit the like and subscribe button, and don't forget to press that bell icon. See you in next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye guys.